Yo, what's up, man? This is Pretty Lou from the Reservoir Dogs. We got a call from Gorilla Air. We want to say, hey guys, make us a video. We want to know what makes up the Reservoir Dogs.
What does a team that's been together for almost a decade know about woods ball, speedball, big games, and tournament play? Well, I will tell you, more than most. You see, it's those toughest challenges from years of paintball games that make the toughest ballers. That hard work, the conviction, and the know-how that runs deep in every last one of us. That's who we are. That's our story. Now, it's probably not the one you've been reading. There's paintball magazines and websites. You know, the ones being written by folks who've never seen us play. Because when it comes to playing paintball, it's as much about how you play and the sportsmanship as it is about winning. Now, we are a paintball team, but we're not just wood ballers or speedballers. And we're certainly not a team that you can take lightly.
It's the Reservoir Dogs, baby. This is what we do.